Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will be showing you how to use DocuSign tutorial for beginners. So this is what it looks like. But before anything else, let us know what is this DocuSign I'm talking about. Okay, so DocuSign is an electronic signature tool that enables both private users and businesses to electronically manage and sign documents. It authenticates people, documents, workflows, and entities using secure technology. DocuSign is adaptable and appropriate for a wide range of applications and procedures, such as contracts for sales, human resources, and law. It saves time, stores data in the cloud, and helps the environment by using less paper and printer ink. DocuSign is accessible from practically anywhere in the globe and is simple to use. So to start, all you have to do is to create an account using your Google account or your email address and password. So this is the interface of DocuSign e-signature. On the left side, you see here some features like shared access. If you want to share access to someone, all you have to do is to tap this get started and share an access to anyone, a friend or a coworker. So let's start with envelopes. Your envelopes may be found in the following four default folders: sent, drafts, deleted, and the first one here, inbox. In inbox, it contains all of the envelopes that were sent to your account. You can filter this by tapping these filters right here. Okay, everything is up to you. And then we have here sent. Letters sent from your account. Of course, the letters that are sent from your account. Same with inbox. If you have made or if you have sent thousands of letters, then you have to go to the filter search box and look for that specific letter or specific paper or information that you want to look or search. We have here drafts. Only drafts created by your account are in the drafts folder. And lastly, we have here deleted. Of course, all of the letters or envelopes or messages that you have deleted can be found in deleted section. The good thing is that you have the option to restore. Just tap this arrow facing down and tap continue. Now below we have here bulk send and we have here power forms, but actually you can only use this if you upgrade your plan. Okay, so as you can see, I am using the basic version, so I cannot use this one. So we have here quick views. Okay, so you can quickly see the status of your envelopes in the overview section of the homepage. You can access the matching envelopes in the state within the Manage panel by clicking on each status. You may quickly filter your mailings for important categories with quick views. The result list displays every envelope that fits the chosen category when you choose a quick view. This set of results is limited to actions within the previous 6 months. Use the filters menu to change the time range or the sender to obtain different results. You can also input a search phrase to limit the quick views results by recipient, email, envelope ID, envelope name, or sender or recipient's name. Below, you can see your folders. If you want to create one, just tap this plus icon and you can now create a folder. Here you can save something, you can drag something here, you can enter a folder name, and then after that, you can create a folder now. So here you can separate some of the most important papers or documents that you want to separate from other unimportant documents. Okay, and then you can also delete this if you want. For templates, so as you can see here, if you want to create a template, you just have to click this create a template right here. Then DocuSign application, this template, and all you have to do is to add template name, add document, add recipients, add message. And then after that, you can click next. Okay, so you have to make sure that you have your document already so you can upload it right here. Okay, and then you can see this is shared with me, and then all of the documents that were shared by you, you can see it right here. All templates, you can see all templates here, and then you can erase or edit it. Okay, everything is up to you. Favorites, and then you can add some favorites here, favorite activity or favorite document. favorite signature, then you can save it right here. Deleted all deleted files. You can see it right here, and you could also restore it once you have deleted a file or document. Okay, add new folder. Also, you can add new folder here. And then after that, you have to click this create button right here. And you have created a folder. Okay, so folders, your folder or shared folders. So you can easily do it here under templates. Reports. So what is this reports here in DocuSign? Okay, so users and administrators can execute, modify, schedule, download, print reports specific to their account using the reports functionality. Users and administrators can gain insights into their DocuSign account by utilizing the reports functionality. One of the document data reports offered by DocuSign e-signature is the web forms data report. To help you maximize the value of the data from your online forms, this report provides field level data reporting. For instance, you can view the quantity of web form answers that were received within a specified time frame. Now let's proceed to settings. Under settings, you will see security settings. Okay, you can see here brands, stamps, updates, value calculator, okay, signing and sending, and more other options. But if you just focus on your account, you will see here plan and billing. So as what I mentioned earlier, if you want to upgrade your plan and see the differences if you use basic and upgraded version of this DocuSign e-signature, then you will be amazed and you will be motivated to upgrade your plan. So apart from that, you can see your security settings. So if you want to change something here on your recipient authentication settings, you just have to go to this part right here. Okay, for signing and sending, if you want to change something here, just go to this part and modify some changes. Integrations, if you want to connect or if you want to, link your account to other application or add configuration, you just have to go to this section right here. For example, you want to connect your DocuSign to a specific application, then all you have to do is go to connect application, and there are a sample of applications here where you can connect your DocuSign e-signature application. Okay, so again, if you tap your profile here and if you want to manage or do some changes to your profile, like if you want to delete your email address or change your email address, if you want to add a phone number, if you want to add alternate email address, you just have to go to this part right here. If you want to update your profile image, okay, so yes, and if you want to see privacy and security, just go to this profile in the top right corner and you can manage your profile here. Okay, so going back to DocuSign, now let's create a signature. So if you want to create a signature, just tap this arrow facing down below welcome back. Okay, if you had added your name, and then you will see options here of what signature you would like to use. Okay, once you have found that good or unique signature for you, and then you can now proceed with this one and send a document to someone. All you have to do is to add the following here, like add message, email subject, email message, and then you can now tap this next button right here. But as you can see, I have, missed a single file here. So I have to add my file in order for me to continue. So don't forget your file. And then once you have added, then this is what it looks like. So here you can edit this by just dragging some of the features here. For example, if you want to add any of the standard fields here, for example, signature, stamp, name, email, company, title, just have to drag it right here. And if you want to edit that, you just have to go to the right side and you will see here how to add or how to edit this. Okay. And then once you're done, then all you have to do is to click send. So if you want to add your signature, just add it right here and you can add more. Just go to the left side and then drag it here to this file or this document. Now tap send. Now here's the thing, if you want to edit this one, if you accidentally send it, but You also want to edit this because you want to change some part of your document. Don't worry, in order for you to recover that, all you have to do is to go to manage and then find that document that you want to edit or correct and resend it again. As easy as that. So that's how easy it is to simply use this DocuSign, especially if you are a beginner. So I do really hope that this video helped you. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.